today I'm going to unbox this Google Pixel 3. Right, R2. Hey guys, today I'm going to check out this Pixel 3, Google Pixel 3. Now, I picked this up over the holidays for myself. You could call it a holiday gift to myself. I know most people that were interested in the Pixel 3 have already watched all the unboxing videos and all the reviews, but since I bought this, I figured, well, I'd do a video about it. Now, for 2019, I want to use Android a little bit more. I have a couple Android phones, but they're on the older side. I have a Nexus 5X, if you can believe it or not. I still have one of those. And then I have a Samsung Galaxy S7, but I wanted to try something more modern, more powerful, and something running the latest version of Android. So I picked up the Pixel 3. Now, this being an unboxing video, I guess I'm supposed to talk a little bit about the specs. Most of you, I'm sure, are already familiar with them. So it's got the latest version of Android. That's Android 9 or Android Pie. It's got a 5.5-inch OLED display with 443 ppi. It's an 18.9 aspect ratio, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's got the always-on display and HDR support. Now for the camera on the rear, it's got a 12.2 megapixel camera. Now on the front, it's got dual front cameras. It's got an 8 megapixel wide angle and normal FOV cameras. For the processor, it's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 at 2.5 gigahertz. It's got an Adreno 630, the Pixel Visual Core and Titan M security module. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, and this model has 64 gigabytes of storage, but you can get it with 128 gigabytes as well. Now, for the color, I picked up the black one, but it also comes in white and not pink. Now, for the battery, you have a 2915 milliamp hour battery. It comes with an 18-watt 2-amp USB-C charger. Supports 18-watt fast charging and Qi wireless charging. Supports 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, including the latest AC standards. All right, now that's it for the specs. Really exciting there, I know. Let me get this out of the box here. Well, let's check out the box. Okay, so Pixel 3, and then just Team Pixel on the back. All right, now let's get this out of the box. Wonder if I can do this without a knife. Now, Google sent this to me right after I gave them my credit card. Let me just get this tape off here, and then we'll talk. Oh, there is a little tab here, believe it or not. Look at that. 2 good eyes, but I still don't see. All right, there it is. It's looking pretty cool. All right, now before I go any further, let me talk about the price here. This phone is $800 or $799. That's way too much for this phone. Now, when I picked this up, I found a discount code to use on the Google Store to save $100. So that took the price down to $700 or $699. Paid about $44 in tax, so we're up to about $743. Finally, I traded in my iPhone 6S. Supposedly, they're going to give me $221 in credit for that, so I'm out to about $522 for this phone and my iPhone 6S. All right, let's get this out of the box. You got the phone here. Let's see what else is in the box first. We'll get rid of this tray. SIM ejection tool. Getting started book. Google and Team Pixel stickers. Warranty. (18-watt 2-amp USB-C type charger. Looks very similar to that charger that I showed you for the iPad Pro, the latest iPad Pro. Nice, fast charger in the box. Paying attention, Apple? This looks like some earbuds. I'm not going to take these out. Whenever I buy a phone, not liking the tips on these. These kind of remind me of the EarPods or whatever that is that comes with the iPhone. This hard plastic that usually doesn't fit too well in my ear. But, you know, it's got headphones in the box, so that's good. USB-C style. Put that to the side. Then down here, we have, I'm not sure what this is. I think that maybe this is an OTG connector. Let you connect a regular USB cable to your phone. And then USB-C cable, charge and sync. USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack adapter. All right, that's it for everything in the box. All right, now here's the phone. This feels pretty nice, actually. Wow. I think this looks pretty nice. Actually, you know, this back has a pretty nice texture to it. Now, this is glass back. Already got fingerprints on the front. Got the fingerprint sensor on the back, if there's any power in it. All right, powering up. Oh, all of a sudden R2 comes awake there. All right, gotta say this feels pretty good. Let's try wireless charging. All right, it's got a 53% charge in there, and it's wireless charging on my Samsung wireless charging pad there. That's cool. Let me go put my information in this, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. I got my information into the phone. It's downloading and restoring apps. So far, this thing looks pretty cool. What do you think, R2? Definitely the droid you're looking for, huh, buddy? All right, well, what can I tell you about this thing? I picked up the Pixel 3. It's the smaller of the two phones. I didn't want to go for the XL or the bigger phone. You can see this phone has bezels, but it doesn't have that annoying looking notch on it. So I think that's definitely a benefit here, not having that notch. Let's try the camera. The camera on this thing is supposed to be pretty good. I'm gonna snap a picture of my buddy here. Smile, R2. Well, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. You can kind of see the mess in the background there. Display looks pretty good. Photo of R2 looks really good. All right, what else can we try here? Let's try the browser. Well, the Google store there. Well, that looks pretty fast. Scrolling wise. Let's see if we can check out a little bit more about phones. Here's a Pixel 3. So I'll be back with more videos about this after I've had a chance to use it, catch up on Android a little bit, especially the new Android Pie. Now I did pick up one other thing too. I picked up this Google Pixel 3 case. Now these I think are $40. I found this one open box for $20, so I went with an open box case. And nothing else in the box there. Now this is a fabric case. I've never really had a fabric case before. Looks like it's in perfectly good new condition for open box. I'm gonna slap the phone in there. Actually, that's pretty nice. I don't know how well this will hold up over time, but for right now, this looks pretty good. What else can I say about this phone? Well, I'm going to have to get used to the fingerprint sensor and then having the fingerprint sensor on the back. I'm pretty used to the Face ID on my iPhone 10 at this point. So getting used to unlocking this with my finger on the back. Now, I considered a couple other phones before I picked this up. I thought about getting the Samsung Galaxy S9. I was really close during the Black Friday time when they had a really good sale on that. I even made a video about it, but I didn't pull the trigger and buy one. I thought about getting the OnePlus 6T or whatever that is, but I wanted a phone that will work on all four of the major carriers in the US because I want to be able to use it for reviews. And that OnePlus 6T works on AT&T and T-Mobile, and then I think it only works on the Verizon LTE network. I don't think it supports CDMA, but it definitely doesn't support the Sprint network either, so I decided to pass on that. You can see this thing is still installing apps. And then there's a lot of updates left to install. All right, I'm going to let those updates continue to install. that's going to be it for this video, and I'll be back with more about the Pixel 3. Thanks for watching.